Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cake. Today I am going to explain about the macro camera in the smartphones. Have you noticed smartphones now have multiple cameras? Yes, this phone has 4 cameras. These are cameras equipped with different lenses. But how many lenses do you know? I will explain you if you don't know nothing. The first camera is the default cam you take pictures, that is main camera. It has maximum pixel available than the other cameras and has a normal lens with autofocus. Other is depth camera, which is used for bokeh effect. The bokeh effect blur the background as has the subject focused. Next, ultra wide, which captures wide range of angle like group photos. Telephoto lenses are also available to take long distance shots, but the more common now is macro camera. Why macro special? This is because our eyes cannot see up close to the level macro camera reveals. It reveals the micro world in a wonderful way. Even you can see the micro world by using magnifying lens, you are not able to capture the micro world with your phone. So get started using this new trendy feature in smartphones and explore the world in a whole new way. See this picture, how beautiful it is. If you like this video, click the like button and hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.